Makeup and natural beauty are two different concepts, each with its own advantages and disadvantages. Makeup is the use of cosmetics to enhance or alter one's appearance. It can include anything from foundation, eyeshadow, lipstick, and mascara to fake lashes and other accessories. Makeup can help to cover up blemishes and imperfections, enhance certain features, and create a particular look. On the other hand, natural beauty is the idea that one's natural appearance, without any cosmetic enhancements, is beautiful in its own right. This can mean embracing one's natural skin tone, features, and hair texture, and taking care of one's body and skin through healthy lifestyle choices. Both makeup and natural beauty have their benefits. Makeup can help to boost confidence and create a desired look for a particular occasion, while natural beauty emphasizes self-acceptance and encourages individuals to appreciate their unique features. It's important to note that makeup should not be used as a crutch to cover up one's insecurities or flaws, and natural beauty should not be used to shame those who choose to wear makeup. Ultimately, the decision to wear makeup or embrace natural beauty is a personal one that should be made based on one's individual preferences and values. Makeup. Makeup has been used for centuries to enhance one's appearance, and today there are a wide variety of cosmetic products available to suit different skin types and preferences. While makeup can help to create a desired look, it's important to remember that it's temporary and can be removed at the end of the day. Wearing makeup regularly can have both positive and negative effects on skin health. Some makeup products can clog pores and cause breakouts, while others contain ingredients that can be beneficial for skin health. Applying makeup can be time-consuming and require skill, which can be a barrier for some people who may not have the time or resources to invest in learning how to use it properly. Natural beauty. Embracing natural beauty means accepting and celebrating one's unique features, whether it's skin tone, facial features, or hair texture. Taking care of one's body and skin through healthy lifestyle choices, such as eating a balanced diet, staying hydrated, and getting enough sleep, can help to enhance natural beauty. While natural beauty is often associated with minimalism, it doesn't mean that one has to completely forego using skincare products or hair care products. There are natural and organic products available that can help to nourish and enhance one's natural features. Embracing natural beauty can also have a positive impact on self-esteem and body image, as it encourages individuals to appreciate their unique features rather than conforming to societal beauty standards. In summary, both makeup and natural beauty have their pros and cons, and the choice to wear makeup or embrace natural beauty is a personal one that should be made based on individual preferences and values. It's important to remember that there's no right or wrong choice, and that both options can be empowering and affirming.